7 AI money rules that replace a financial advisor. Most people are paying over $1,500 a year for a financial advisor. And honestly, for the advice most of them are getting, that is $1,500 they cannot afford to waste. Here is what nobody is telling you. The same financial guidance that used to cost thousands of dollars a year is now available to anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection. AI has quietly become the most powerful personal finance tool ever created, and almost nobody in the personal finance space is talking about this. I am going to give you 7 AI money rules today. Each one replaces a specific financial service that people are paying real money for. Each one takes less than 5 minutes to set up, and every single one is available to you right now for free. By the time we get to Rule 4, you are going to realize you have been overpaying for financial advice your entire adult life. So let us get into it. Before I give you the rules, I want to be clear about something. I am not saying AI replaces every financial advisor in every situation. Complex tax scenarios, estate planning, major business decisions, those still benefit from human expertise. What I am saying is that for the everyday financial decisions that most people pay advisors for, AI does the job just as well, often better, always faster, and always for free. The average American household pays $1,000, $1,500 to $3,000 per year for financial planning services. That is money that could be going into an index fund. Starting today, it will be AI Money Rule 1. Use AI as your personal budget analyst. The first thing most people pay a financial advisor to do is look at their spending and tell them where their money is going. They charge you for the privilege of looking at your own bank statements and telling you things you already suspect but do not want to face. Here is how you replace that with AI in under 10 minutes. Open any AI tool, and there are several free ones available. Copy and paste your last 30 days of transactions from your bank account. Then give it this exact prompt. Analyze my spending, identify my top 5 expense categories, find any recurring charges I may have forgotten about, and tell me where I have the most opportunity to reduce spending without affecting my quality of life. That is it. In seconds, you will get a breakdown that would have taken a human advisor 45 minutes and cost you $150 in billable time. The AI will categorize everything, flag subscriptions you forgot you had, and give you a clear picture of your financial reality. Do this once a month. Treat it like your monthly money audit. It takes 10 minutes, and it replaces one of the most common reasons people hire financial advisors in the first place. AI Money Rule 2. Use AI to build your investment strategy. The second most common reason people pay for a financial advisor is to get help with investing. They want someone to tell them what to invest in, how much to put where, and how to think about their portfolio. Here is the truth. For most everyday investors, the answer is not complicated. Low-cost index funds, consistent monthly contributions, a time horizon of 10 to 30 years. Rebalance once a year. Financial advisors charge thousands of dollars to tell people exactly this. With AI, you can go further. Give the AI your age, your income range, your risk tolerance, your timeline, and your current savings. Then ask it to build you a beginner investment framework. Ask it to explain the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA in plain language. Ask it to walk you through what a 3-fund portfolio is and why it has outperformed most actively managed funds over the last 20 years. The AI will not pick individual stocks for you. It will do something more valuable. It will give you the foundational financial education that most people spend years trying to piece together from YouTube videos and Reddit threads. In one conversation, for free. Rule 2. Use AI to get your investment education and build your personal investment framework before you ever put a dollar into the market. AI Money Rule 3. Use AI as your debt elimination coach. If you are carrying credit card debt, personal loans, or student loans, there is a good chance you are paying someone for advice on how to pay it down. Debt counselors, financial coaches, credit repair services, these industries collectively charge billions of dollars per year to give people information that AI can provide instantly. Here is the prompt I want you to use. List every debt you currently have, the creditor name, current balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. Then ask the AI to build you both a debt avalanche and a debt snowball payoff plan, show you the total interest you will pay under each method, and tell you which one saves you the most money over time. The debt avalanche method targets your highest interest rate debt first. The debt snowball targets your smallest balance first for psychological momentum. Most debt advisors will charge you $100 to $200 to run these exact calculations and print them on a piece of paper. AI does it in seconds. It will also tell you how adding an extra $50 to $100 per month to your payment changes your payoff timeline. It will calculate exactly what early payoff saves you in interest. It gives you every number you need to make a confident decision about your debt. Rule 3, give AI your complete debt picture and let it build your payoff strategy, then execute it. AI Money Rule 4. Use AI to decode every financial document you sign. This is the one that most people never think about. Every year, millions of people sign financial documents they do not fully understand. Lease agreements, loan contracts, insurance policies, employee benefits packages, credit card terms, mortgage documents. Most people either sign without reading or spend $200 to $400 on an attorney or financial advisor to review and explain these documents before they sign. Here's what you do instead. Take a photo or copy the text of any financial document you are about to sign, paste it into an AI tool, then ask it 3 specific questions. First, what are the most important terms I need to understand in this document? Second, are there any clauses or conditions here that are unusual or could be harmful to me? Third, what questions should I be asking before I agree to this? The AI will read every line of that document and pull out exactly what you need to know. It will flag unusual penalty clauses, it will identify hidden fees, it will explain financial jargon in plain language. It will prepare you to negotiate. I want to be clear here. For very high-stakes legal documents like complex business contracts or estate planning, you should still work with a qualified attorney. But for the everyday financial documents most people encounter, lease renewals, personal loan agreements, insurance policy reviews, AI is extraordinarily effective. Rule 4, never sign a financial document you do not fully understand. Use AI to read it first. AI Money Rule 5. Use AI as your financial goal planner. One of the services financial advisors provide is helping clients set and track financial goals. They create what are called financial plans, documents that lay out where you are now, where you want to be, and what steps you need to take to get there. These plans often cost $500 to $2,000 to create, depending on the advisor and the complexity of your situation. Here is how you build your own with AI in 20 minutes. Tell the AI your current financial situation, your income, your monthly expenses, your current savings and investments, your outstanding debts. Then give it your goals. Maybe you want to have $50,000 saved in 3 years. Maybe you want to be debt-free in 18 months. Maybe you want to retire at 55. Ask the AI to build you a step-by-step financial roadmap with specific monthly action items. Ask it to show you what your net worth looks like in 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years if you execute the plan. Ask it to tell you exactly what needs to change in your current spending habits to hit your first milestone. What you get back is a personalized financial plan, not a generic template. A plan built around your actual numbers and your actual goals. Revisit it every quarter. Update the numbers, adjust the targets. AI gives you a dynamic financial plan that evolves as your life evolves. Rule 5. Build your financial roadmap with AI and revisit it every 90 days. AI Money Rule 6. Use AI to optimize your income. Most people think of financial advisors purely in terms of managing money they already have. But the fastest way to change your financial situation is not to cut expenses further, it is to increase what comes in. And AI is remarkably powerful for this. This is how I want you to use it. Tell the AI your current job, your skills, your experience level, and your income. Then ask it to identify 3 realistic ways you could increase your income within the next 90 days using what you already know how to do. You're not asking it to invent a new career for you. You're asking it to look at your existing skills and find the highest leverage opportunities hiding inside what you already have. Maybe you are an accountant who could offer weekend tax prep services. Maybe you are a teacher who could sell curriculum resources online. Maybe you have project management skills that translate directly into freelance consulting. Then take it one step further. Ask AI to help you write a freelance pitch for the service it identified. Ask it to write your LinkedIn summary so it attracts the right clients or opportunities. Ask it to build a simple 30-day plan for landing your first paid client in the new income stream. Human advisors rarely help with income generation at all. This is a gap AI fills exceptionally well. Your income is your most powerful financial tool. Use AI to maximize it. Rule 6. Use AI to find the income opportunities hiding inside your existing skills. The final thing financial advisors provide, and the thing clients often value most, is accountability. Someone who checks in on you. Someone who asks whether you did what you said you were going to do. Someone who keeps you honest about your money. AI does this better than most people realize. Here is the system. At the start of every month, open an AI conversation and tell it your 3 financial commitments for the month. Specific and measurable. I will save $300. I will not eat out more than 4 times. I will make an extra $150 payment on my credit card. Then, at the end of the month, come back to the AI, report your actual results. Be completely honest. The AI will not judge you, it will not shame you, but it will help you understand exactly what happened. It will identify the gap between what you planned and what you did. It will help you figure out why the gap exists and what you need to change going into the next month. There is also a more advanced version of this. Ask the AI to act as your financial coach throughout the month. Check in weekly. Give it your spending updates. Ask it to hold you to your budget. Tell it when you are tempted to make a purchase you should not make, and ask it to help you think through the decision. Some people find that knowing they will have to report their results to something, even an AI, changes how they make decisions in the moment. Accountability is powerful, and AI provides it on demand for free. Rule 7. Use AI as your monthly financial accountability partner. Report your results, be honest, let it help you close the gap. Here is what these 7 rules give you when you put them together. A personal budget analyst, an investment education system, a debt elimination coach, a document review tool, a financial planner, an income optimization engine, and a daily accountability partner. People pay $1,500 to $3,000 per year for pieces of this. You now have all of it for free, starting today. The financial system was not built to make you wealthy. It was built to charge you for access to information that should have been free in the first place. AI changed that. The people who recognize this shift and act on it now are going to be significantly ahead of everyone who does not. Pick one rule, just one. Start there today. Come back next week and tell me in the comments which rule you used and what it showed you about your money. If you want to go deeper on building real wealth from here, watch this video next. I will show you exactly where to put your money once your financial foundation is in place.